A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Sense over Struggle, a compass for modern times. Ladies and gentlemen, in today's world, struggle has become a constant companion. There is always something to fix, something to chase, something to survive. But what often gets lost is not strength, but sense. Long ago, a quiet invocation offered guidance. It was simple, sacred, and enduring. It said, God, grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, the courage to change the things I can, and the wisdom to know the difference. More than a prayer, it is a compass, a guide for facing life, not with force, but with clarity, not with exhaustion, but with equilibrium. Understanding stillness, strength, and sense would be helpful in the above context. Let's look at stillness, accepting what cannot be controlled. Life doesn't always listen. People change, time moves, accidents happen. Science accepts this too. Even the best predictions come with margins of uncertainty, and the mind suffers most when it resists the unchangeable. Acceptance is not giving up. It is the quiet wisdom of saying, this is real, let it be. Stillness is not a lack of power. It is power without struggle. Let's look at strength, acting where change is possible. But not everything calls for silence. Some things must be changed. Habits that harm, systems that fail, silence that protects the wrong. Change asks for strength, the strength to speak, to shift, to break a pattern. The human brain can rewire, nature rebuilds, societies evolve. Change is not disruption, it is response guided by purpose. It begins the moment struggle is replaced by conscious movement. Let's also look at sense, knowing the difference. This is the rarest skill, to see clearly, to know when to act and when to wait, to know what is a battle and what's a lesson. This is not something taught. It is something developed in quiet, in mistakes, and in reflection. Sense is not loud. It does not push. It reveals. What's the way forward? In a world driven by pace and pressure. The real direction comes not from force but from alignment. When everything outside feels uncertain, the compass must turn inward. Let that compass be guided by three quiet forces. First, discernment over impulse. Not all that demands attention deserves action. Second, clarity over speed. Stillness often reveals more than motion. Third, depth over noise. Strength that endures is rarely loud. This is not hesitation. It is higher navigation. Like a north star, calm in the sky, unmoving yet guiding, sense remains steady when the winds of life shift direction. Those who walk by its light may not move the fastest, but they move with purpose and arrive where meaning lives. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, peace does not come from changing everything. It comes from knowing what to change, what to accept, and how to tell the difference. Stillness, strength, sense. This is not a slogan. It is survival. It is wisdom. It is direction. And as the Bhagavad Gita profoundly declares, the one who performs action, letting go of the outcome, attains lasting peace. Struggle may seem natural, but sense, clear, steady and silent, is the greater path. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.